Good day, ma'am. My name is Joylyn Babak. I'm 36 years old. I live in Barangay Kawayan, Carles, Iloilo. I am married with one daughter. She is now 14 years old. My work experience, I work in Malaysia 2 years. My duties and responsibilities, I am cooking. I am washing clothes. I am ironing. I'm cleaning the car. I taking 3 children, which is 7 years old, 12 years old, and 14 years old. I have work experience in Dubai, UAE for 8 years with one employer only. My duties and responsibilities, I take her daughter, one daughter, I take her dog, and I'm cooking and ironing, I'm cleaning the house. I am honest, hardworking, trustworthy, and patient. Thank you so much, ma'am, and God bless.